Okay, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all like, girl, get your backdrop right, but homegirl was all over the place. Okay, so boom, what to expect out of this video? Y'all are gonna see me and my cousin at Goodwill, and then I'm gonna hop right into my try-on haul because I have a lot to show you all.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel.
Let's try that one more time.
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, fuck it.
I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I got back from TJMAXX, Dolls Kills, Burlington, and Goodwill today. So first up, we have my Goodwill bag. And this one is the heaviest one.
See, just like that, I already forgot to show y'all my thrift haul. Rewind. For those of you who don't know, Ed Hardy is making a comeback. However, when I found this, it looked like it might have been legit because of the tags and stuff, but the threading on it just looked very cheap. I don't care how much something costs. Cheap is cheap, you know? If it looks cheap, it is cheap. So I put that shit back.
Found her some Banana Republic.
Yes, for all the pretty girls in the world.
All the AKAs.
Yes, honey, thrifting is where it is.
Yes, thrift and sale,
Now
honey.
find a little-
How much money did you spend today in Goodwill?
$60,
$60, honey. And she got her some
77
Haribo peaches.
Yes.
Yes, honey. And I spent $47. Woo!
Yes, baby.
Goodbye to Goodwill. Till we meet again. So I got all this stuff in this bag for $45. This, and all the red tag was half off, and this is a red tag. So this is like a sheer little just a sheer dress. I think I have to put on like a little bralette underneath because it's see-through everywhere. And I'll put on some biker shorts as well underneath. Some men's pants that I'm going to distress. They are Levi's. They were also half off. They have a red tag. And these fit kind of big on my thigh, but not really. But I'm gonna make these like really baggy boyfriend ripped up jeans. Then I found this little animal print top. This is giving me Carol Baskin. Killed her husband, whacked him. Can't convince me that it didn't happen. Carol Baskin. Whew. Then y'all, I found a two-piece suit. They're normally $11.99 in Goodwill, but this was also a red tag, so I got it for $6. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna style that if y'all want to watch to the end. Then I went in the lingerie section and I found this. This is giving me free people. I'm definitely gonna wear this as a dress. It's a little silk pajama thingy majigger. I'm definitely gonna have to have on some type of biker short underneath this, probably nude to blend in. Then I found some gray trousers. You can never have too many trousers because the summertime is here. You can just put these on with a little crop top and some cute accessories and boom, you're done.
Oh yeah, and while I'm on this topic, a lot of people have come up to me saying that thrift store clothes and vintage stuff doesn't look nice on them. Well, I, for one, have observed some of y'all, And it don't look right on y'all is because the way y'all be standing. Y'all just don't look confident in the stuff that y'all be wearing. Like, you can't expect to make an outfit look good if you don't feel good. You wear the clothes. Don't let the clothes wear you. I'm not gonna lie, some of y'all be standing just like this in y'all vintage finds, and y'all make it look like Mrs. Doubtfire. It's because of you. If your vintage stuff don't look good on you, it's because you don't feel good about it. You need to add some confidence in your swag, honey.
Then I found this little cute number. I didn't get to try this on, but we're gonna see what it do.
I honestly only got this dress so I can have some mommy son type stuff to wear around my child, because I can't be a bad bitch every day. You know, sometimes I gotta be a mom. So yeah, this dress is giving me lots of Mary Poppins vibes, but add a lemon drop with an extra shot on the side.
I found this little checkerboard skirt. It's long, it's like a maxi skirt. It's a little bit big, but I like my stuff a little oversized so I can add a belt. I found these little track pants. These are super cute. I like my pants a little oversized so I can get that baggy effect with a little cute heel. I then found some yellow shorts, striped shorts. I think this would be cute with like a mixed print or color block type look. Then I found these cute little shorts. These are so cute. Yes, Goodwill people, Goodwill. Then I found, I always buy the sequin, this little sequin cardigan, super cute. You can throw this over a little bralette, a t-shirt, graphic tee, cami, whatever you want to do with it, you can do it.
Okay, so y'all remember when I said the way your attitude is set up, the way you stand will affect your look. So don't be standing like, you know, Quasimodo. I need you to stand tall with some confidence. You know, flip your hair, arch your back a little bit. We don't want you out here looking like Sister Mary Claren in your vintage finds. So yeah, put some attitude into y'all look. Stop being scared to be fly. What you scared of?
This is Burlington. So Burlington, I got this little cute little romper. This cute little romper. This was $3, y'all. Everything in Burlington, clothing wise, is 50% off, $6.99. 50% off, $6.99. It has the back cut out. All jewelry was 25% off. These are by Steve Madden. Let me turn my ring light down so y'all can see what's going on. Okay. Yeah, so these earrings are by Steve Madden. Super cute. Then I have these cute little moonstone dangling teardrop earrings. A little evil eye necklace. Like with a V-cut shirt, you can put this on. Show all the details in it. Some little rings, because I'm a ring type of person. And I got this little set, my little hippie set. I love the layered necklace type vibe, so this will look cute with any of my summer looks, and I don't have to do the most with over accessorizing. I didn't mind spending $40 on one item in TJMAXX because it was free people. And their clothing is quality, sustainable clothing. So you can't really tell, but you'll be able to see it when I try it on. This is like a little flowy flower child dress with poofy sleeves. And I'm gonna put this on with some cowgirl boots. Yep. And you can see it's brand new, free people, $39. Holler back. Who else shops in the swimsuit section at TJMAXX? Because they always have the best jumpsuit and cover up type deals. So I went in there and I found this little tube top number but the bottom is what sold me. The bottom is made like with little ruffles. Hold on. Yeah, the bottom has like a little flare ruffle type vibe, and this was only $15 in TJMAXX. Then I found this cute dress in TJMAXX again for $15. This is just nothing doing too much, but it's like the quality of it, and it's woven. I think it's woven. Let me not. I don't know what it is, but it's real cute, and I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna make it real trendy. This was $15 also. Yeah, this necklace was $21 in TJMAXX, and this is just like a statement piece that I'll put on when I want to do the most, but not for real. Bought this. This is $5. I ordered some stuff from Dolls Kill. I have other stuff that I ordered offline, but hasn't came in the mail yet. So we're just gonna rock with Dolls Kill. There's some shoes. They're by Current Mood on Dolls Kill. I also ordered some shirts. I hope they're in here. Yep. Huh. They're gonna make me come send the fuck out. Where's my shirts that I ordered? Oh no, ma'am. Bad review for Dolls Kill because I paid for 2 shirts in my order. Where are they?
Just wanted to let y'all know I went on this whole rant for nothing because they actually did ship my 2 shirts. But I'm gonna let y'all see my reaction anyway because I'm a real ass bitch. Give a fuck about a nigga.
They always doing this, and I was trying to look out for y'all. I was trying to give y'all a good review, and y'all did not put my 2 shirts in the thing. Now I'm gonna have to cut y'all the fuck out. No, ma'am. Let's go back to this order. Let's go back to this order. They blow me. Like, what are y'all doing? That y'all forgot 2 whole damn shirts. Like, I should pop y'all in the mouth. Yes. Look at this. I ordered a large white t-shirt and a medium t-shirt. One was $30, one was $28. Why do I only have a pair of shoes in my package? And I paid for overnight shipping. Oh no, y'all gonna answer to this. I paid $145.55. Y'all gonna hear my voice tomorrow. No ma'am. Cause they always doing this shit. They wanna act like you bothering them when you call them back because they fucked up your order. No, y'all gonna hear my voice tomorrow and y'all gonna give me a refund because I don't even want this shit no more. But anyway, here are the boots that I ordered. They pissed me all the way off. I might send the boots back.
And that was a lie because I tried these bad boys on and they are beautiful. I owe Dolls Kill a whole apology. I gotta stop reacting so crazy. That's my toxic trait because I just go off too easily. That's why I be telling people, leave me the hell alone.
And I'm in here like, is the shirt somewhere in here like Alice in Wonderland? And they ain't nowhere in here. Did they send me a receipt? Where the hell is my receipt at? Oh, I am gone. Oh yeah, they didn't even give me no receipt. Last time they said, well, send us a picture of this, send me a picture of that. Girl, send me my damn money back. Don't worry about it. I'm calling my bank. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I wrote a letter to Dolls Kill management because I am highly upset. I was really looking forward to showing y'all my look. But anyway, I got some wine to cool me off. I don't even like this, but it's all we got.
Okay, let me show y'all how bomb these fucking boots are. Like, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing when y'all see me in them. Okay, so the quality of these boots are everything. You know how sometimes you can order thigh-high boots and then they end up sliding down your leg? Nope, not these. These are like a tight grip, Very stretchy, but it's still like stuck to your leg. It's not going to slide down. These are quality ass boots, and I think I paid like $95 for them, but I think I got like a 20% discount. But yeah, I love these boots. I'm not sending them back. I just want everyone to know that Dolls Kill is the bomb, okay? Regardless of what I said in this video, you can still order from them, you guys, because I actually did get all of my stuff in the mail.
Okay, y'all, this wraps up my try-on haul. It was a lot of stuff. Next time, I think we're going to break it up into Goodwill video, into a Burlington video, and then into a Dolls Kill video and TJMAXX video, because this is too much, and I don't do all of that, so I'll see y'all next time. I'm going to need a break, though.